Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove text from video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my VN Video Editor, and for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. First of all, I'm going to duplicate this video. We can tap on the video and then select the duplicate option, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. Wait, I'm going to place this pointer at the beginning of my video, and then we can click on forward, right, and tap on the second video, then go to the fit menu to fit the screen. Okay, then we're going to add mask to cover the text. We're going to select the mask, and I'm going to select this rectangle mask, and we can take another part of our video to cover the watermark. For example, I'm just going to take this part right here guys. Okay, and then we can click on the check mark and drag the mask to cover the text in your video. You can also zoom in or zoom out. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks and how it's done. And to make it more natural, you can apply adjustment to your mask. You just need to go to the folder, go to the adjust, then you can adjust the exposure, contrast, the brightness, or the saturation. I'm just going to increase the exposure a little bit, and then the brightness just a little bit. Okay, and I think it looks natural guys. Click on the check mark, and this is the final result. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video, but when the text is moving, you can use keyframe to make the mask can follow the moving text. You can use the keyframe right here. Alright guys, that's all the way to remove text from a video using the Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!